Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam's suspicious activity login block. Steam may temporarily block your login attempts if it detects suspicious activity on your account. This is a security measure designed to protect your games, purchases, personal information, and account access from unauthorized users. You may see this warning after multiple failed login attempts, signing in from a new location or device, or when Steam detects unusual activity that could indicate your account has been compromised. Fortunately, there are several security steps you can take to secure your account, remove unauthorized access, and restore normal login access. The first thing you should do is change your Steam account password. Open Steam and click on your account profile located in the upper right corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details. This opens your account management page where you can view your account information and security settings. Navigate to Security and Devices, then click on Change Password. Steam will guide you through the password change process. You may be asked to verify your identity through Steam Guard, your email address, or another verification method. Create a new password that is strong and unique. Avoid reusing passwords from other websites or services, as reused passwords can put your Steam account at greater risk. After successfully changing your password, it is important to review the devices that have access to your account. Go back to Account Details, Security and Devices. Review the list of devices that are currently or previously signed into your Steam account. If you notice any devices, locations, or sessions that you do not recognize, remove them from your account. If you are unsure whether a device belongs to you, the safest option is to select Sign Out Everywhere. This logs out all devices currently connected to your Steam account. After doing this, sign back into Steam using your new password and complete any required Steam Guard verification. You should also make sure your Steam Guard security is enabled, as it provides an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code when a new device attempts to access your account. Common reasons why Steam may trigger a suspicious activity login block include multiple incorrect password attempts, logging in from a new computer, location, or network, someone else attempting to access your account, using a password that has been exposed in a previous data breach, unusual login behavior detected by Steam security system. A common mistake many users make is continuing to repeatedly attempt to log in after receiving a suspicious activity warning. This can cause additional security restrictions or make the recovery process more difficult. Another common mistake is changing the password but failing to remove unknown devices that may still have access to the account. To summarize, fixing a Steam suspicious activity login block begins by opening Steam, Account Details, Security and Devices, change password, and creating a new secure password. After that, return to the Security and Devices section to review all signed-in devices, remove any unfamiliar ones, or choose Sign Out Everywhere to disconnect all sessions. These steps help secure your account, remove unauthorized access, and allow you to safely sign back into Steam. If the suspicious activity warning was triggered by a real security threat, changing your password and removing unknown devices are the most important actions to take. And that's how to fix a Steam suspicious activity login block. By updating your password, reviewing connected devices, and signing out suspicious sessions, you can protect your Steam account and regain secure access to your games and account information. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.